Hi, my name is Farhan. I'm an undergraduate student at Tarimti Penang, Malaysia. Today in this video, I want to show you my final year project. It's an iOS app called Retso. Retso helps restaurant owners design their restaurant interior easily, even if they don't have any design experience. When someone wants to open a restaurant, one big problem is planning the layout. Where should the tables go? Where should the chairs to be? Will the restaurant feel comfortable for the customers? Hiring an interior designer can be very expensive, and if the design is wrong, fixing it later can cost a lot of money. So I built Retso to solve this problem. Retso is made for normal people, not only for the professional designers. You can simply create a new project, give it a name, and start designing your restaurant space. It is simple and very easy to use. First, you start in 2D mode. You can draw your room and adjust the size to match your real floor plan. You can add doors, windows in the correct position. Then you can choose furniture from the catalog, like tables, chairs, sofas, and much more things. Just tap to place them, drag to move them, and rotate if needed. Everything is designed to be simple and very easy to understand. Next, you can switch to 3D mode. Now your design becomes a 3D space that you can explore. You can move around the room and see how everything looks together. You can also change floor materials, wall colors, textures. This helps you see what your restaurant could look like before building it in real life. Retso also include augmented reality or AR. With AR, you can point your camera at your real restaurant space or anywhere you like. Then you can simply place the furniture directly in your real environment. This helps you see if the furniture or other stuff you want to include fits well in the space. It removes the guesswork and help owners make better decisions. Good restaurant design is very important. If the layout is bad, customer may feel unsatisfied and may have difficulty moving around. Many small restaurant owners, those just newly want to start business, cannot afford expensive designers easily. So I built Retso to help them design their restaurant confidently and easily with their imaginations. This project means a lot to me. I spent a lot of time learning and building Retso. I hope this app can help the restaurant owners and entrepreneurs and dreamers design their restaurant space easily. And in the end, thank you for watching this video.